Hi everybody, my name is Guti and I'm super happy to announce we have two new products that we're going to do an amazing review and an amazing unboxing. First, we have the second generation of our Mitolux Sunlamp. We took everything that was great but made it better for you. And we also have one incredible product, the Mitolux Lite. It's a smaller brother that has almost all the amazing features but at a great price point. So now let's start and let's find out what we have to discover. Hi everybody, I'm here to show you and to do an unboxing of our new incredible product, the new Mitolite. It's Mitolux Sunlamp little brother because we decided to make it at a more affordable price point while maintaining most of its functions. So here we're going to open, and as you can see, the packaging is super beautiful, and also this box comes with magnets. That means that you can use it to put your device when not in use. Also, one of our philosophies to have the best instruction manuals, because we don't like those manuals that basically don't give you any clear directions, but we have gone one step further because, as you'll see when you open, it's fully illustrated and also has a lot of information to actually teach you on all the science behind and all the benefits from near infrared and from UVB. So here you have a super manual, and there you're going to get surprised because we wanted this unit to remind us of the colors of the sunset and sunrise. So here you have, the unit is done with this beautiful orange color. It's a little bit smaller than its bigger brother, the Mitolux Sunlamp, and it works different, the stand. This is also super travel friendly because it's super light and it's actually almost as powerful as the Mitolux. And here you'll find one pair of sunglasses. That's one of the differences for the Mitolux. This comes with the orange that basically blocks the UVB, but also serves as a blue blocking glasses if you want to use the fireplace mode, which are also contained in this Mitolite Sunlamp. And we also have included a power adapter. Depending on where on the planet you're buying, you're going to get one different of this. It's super compact, and now the cable length has been increased. So we have taken a lot of your different recommendations, and as you'll see, it's super easy to use. We have this for non-biohackers, for anybody to use it, just like our original device. One of the differences is that for safety reasons, since this doesn't include the distance sensor, we have included here on top one switch, so you can use it just for the red near infrared modes. So that will be the fireplace 1, fireplace 2 on the healing mode. And if you want to get access to the UVB, just move this here to the UVB mode, and then you'll see all of the 10 different programs. That's designed so you don't change by mistake from the healing, in which you can be basically at any distance, or the UVB mode, and that really you need to be careful because never get closer than 15 inches because this unit is super powerful. So now let's turn it on and let's see the different modes that we're going to be using. And here have this cable. Also, by the way, this, as the other product, it's totally silent, because one of the things I hate about panels is that it's super loud. So this is super silent. Okay, so as you can see, also we have this screen that is even better than the original Mitolux. We have one place here that will turn violet when the UVB is on. So that's super important, because when you do the program modes, the UVB modes, not all of the time you get the UV because we're recreating sunlight. So you'll know when the UVB is on. So now we can turn on the healing mode, and as you can see, it's super powerful, a little less powerful than the Mitolux, but more powerful than most units. So this is the one you're going to be using, for example, for skin rejuvenation. You can use it 5-10 minutes on your face, on your neck, on your hands, and basically this will be a lot better than most panels because this has 4 different wavelengths when most panels have only 4. We have the Amber 590, that's great for photo aging if you have blemishes. Also the 630 nanometer, that's amazing for top layer skin, but we have also included the 830 and the 850, so you can go very deep. So you just need to use it 5 to 10 minutes and you'll start getting incredible skin rejuvenation. And why is this better than any mask? It's because masks, first of all, have low power. That means that 5 minutes of this would be like 1 hour of a regular mask. Also, you have even distribution, not like a mask that you have like little points and you leave a lot of area that are uncovered. And lastly, the wavelengths. No matter how much you try it, you will not find a mask that has all the wavelengths of near infrared as this, or its bigger brother, the Mitolux Sunlamp. Then I want to show you the other different modes. You can use here the Fireplace 1. This is the one you should be using while working on your computer, because when we're working with today's light ambience, the problem is that the LEDs are supercharged with too much blue light, but they don't include any near infrared and they don't include any red orange. So what happens, you're basically aging your skin while working in today's light environment, also aging your eyes. But when you turn the Fireplace mode, as you can see here, basically it powers down the visible light but maintains full power in the near infrared. That means that you're basically neutralizing all of the excessive blue light. So during the day you can use it like this. And it also has a new program that is called the Fireplace 2, and this works like the Fireplace 1, but this is the one I love to use to put it next to my television when I'm watching, because it starts moving the light up and down, just like if you had a candle or if you had a fireplace in front. So it's super relaxing. Use it while also computer or TV screen or simply reading. And the amazing thing is that it doesn't disturb you, even though the near infrared that is invisible to us is at super high power. So this is the way to go if you want to use it at night. And I would recommend using the blue blockers with this, because one will remove the blue light and then this will give you back the red and the near infrared. So this is one of the best innovations that we have added in our Mitolux products that not other company is doing, but probably will do soon. And then you can change up here to the UVB. One of the differences, as I told you, this doesn't have, for price reasons, the distance sensor, but it's super easy to get the proper distance. Basically, it's 15 inches, so just put your arm and then move a little like this, and you can shine it on your torso. So a little bit above a foot would be great. You can turn it on, and you'll hear a noise, a small beep confirming that it has turned on. And for example, in the program, when the UVB sun, you'll have this light with a violet color, just to remind you, because these lights that seem that they're not working, they're working, but the UVB light is invisible to your eyes. So remember, when you use the UVB mode, always use the glasses for safety reasons, because this is around 10 times more powerful than the midday sun at the Caribbean, and the Mitolux is around 15 times. But this is more than powerful enough to get. So how would you choose it? If you're a Fitzpatrick type 2 like most Americans, obviously you can find more information in the manual and also on videos on our webpage. You should use the UVB2 to get started. If you turn it on, you'll see, and it's basically 4 minutes 30, so just 30 more seconds than the other Mitolux to give you the same amount. But in my case, for example, I would go for the, when I started at the UVB3, because I'm a Fitzpatrick type 3, but you don't need to stop at that, because as you know, this is basically replicating sun's rays. So when you haven't been exposed, you need to start super slow. So it started at UVB3, but now that my skin has got used, I tried the UVB4. And when I stopped getting a little pink, that means that my skin was used to that amount of UVB, then I can raise it. Also, when people ask me, where should you use it in places that have a big area. For example, you don't need to use it on your face, even though it doesn't include UVA, that are the rays that are mostly related to skin aging. It's better to use it on your chest. You can use it on your back, and also some men can use it for hormonal reasons on their genitals, because actually that's how I got to develop this lamp, because I love taking naked sunbaths to get my hormones up. So you can also do this at the comfort of your home. So basically, as you see, this is giving all of the benefits of the original Mitolux, but at a lower price point. You can use this in the morning to get your UVBs, so you start with more energy, with more hormones, getting your vitamin Ds. You can also use it while working on the computer with the Fireplace 1, so that way you'll be neutralizing the excessive blue lit environment. You can use the fireplace while watching TV to get more infrared, and you can use the healing mode at any time of the day, just as any red light therapy for anti-aging of your skin. So here you have a multifunctional device that will get your daily dose of sunshine back to your life.